I'm Bill Kraus, Manager of Client Services with Arkansas Manufacturing Solutions. I'd like to share with you some information about our continuous improvement program. When we meet with companies, we always ask the leader to tell us how do they feel about their current business situation. And we ask these questions in terms of three principal areas. How do they feel about their process? How do they feel about their people? And how do they feel about their communication between their process and their people? Their opinions are based solely on what they read, see, and hear throughout the course of a day. And when they synthesize all that, they can come up with a very simple 0 to 10 ranking. 10 is perfect, 0 is the opposite, 5 is we're not doing too bad. So if we ask, how are you doing your process? They may say, well, we're maybe at about a 7 or 8 right now. With that information, then, the leader can set a challenge that says in some future date, perhaps 1 year from now, we would like to say that our process is a 9. And we are currently at, pick a number, an 8. That gap of 2 points then becomes the focus on what needs to work on. Same information for people, same information for communication. It's then entered into a simple Excel spreadsheet, which is a playbook or a storyboard, which now allows the team to focus on the information as opposed to focusing maybe on each other. This allows the company then to begin a scientific and systematic approach to their continuous improvement journey. We bring three primary components to bear. We bring Toyota Kata. Kata is utilized to manage the journey, lean manufacturing tools to get us there, and training within industry to help teach and manage people. We would very much like to come and visit with you to share more information about this to see if you would be interested. To that point, we'll cater lunch, no cost to you, no obligation, for about an hour to allow us to make a presentation. You can bring as many people as you feel like and your team might have an interest. So please, let us know. We'd love to come and see you and tell you more about our continuous improvement program. Thank you.